Hello guys, it's Callie from Callie Trade Squad, and today I'm going to be opening up.
We're going to be opening up the Lego Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Let's take a look at it. So it is for ages 7+. It is set number 75964, and the 7+ is 7 to 100 because, well, anyone can play with Lego. Looks like it's going to be 305 pieces.
Except for like little ones so that they don't choke.
Yeah, like Tia and Anna, they should not be playing with Lego.
Never.
All right, so the first day we got Harry Potter.
Yes, but it's one and its hair fell off.
The second day we got the train. Well, we're going to be opening up days 3 to 10, and then starting tomorrow, we're going to be doing it back on a daily basis, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to be looking for day number 3. Can you find it? Can you find it? Can Callie find it? I don't know.
Yep.
We found day number 3. Let's see what day number 3 is going to bring us. And day number 3 brings us, looks like a Christmas tree, a Harry Potter Christmas tree. So let's take a closer look at the tree. So there it is. Oh, looks like a pretty cool build. We got a Christmas tree yesterday in Jordan's Lego City. So we're going to put...
How do you build
We're going
this?
to put everything back onto the... All right, so looks like you have the base, or the bottom, which is the black piece.
This?
Yep, that piece.
Okay.
Then you're going to put... okay, so then this brown piece here, you're going to put the green arrow pieces.
Like that?
Yep, so all the way around it.
Okay.
Okay. And it looks like it points, it kind of points up. Yep. All right. Oops. All right, so there'll be 4 of them, I guess.
Yes. And then it comes with extras or something?
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of extras.
Yeah.
Because there's like 1 more of these and like 4 more of these. So I'm not sure if you can keep adding on to the tree.
Maybe.
Because then there's 2 of these as well. And it looks at the picture like there's only
And there's
1
2
of the brown
these.
pieces.
There's 2
So
of
oh, maybe you can make two trees.
Yeah.
You know, that's what that's what it probably means. You could probably build two trees.
There's
All right. So there's that. So then the next piece that goes on is the white piece. So that goes on top. Then you have this black piece, and then the star goes on top.
Okay. I'm amazing at this.
Okay, and then the star.
There's like 3 extra stars. But stars are like so easy to lose.
They are. These are small.
Plus, if you drop them on the floor like I do, you just don't pick it up and then you pick it up later.
It was on. Okay, so build the other one, and I'll show this Christmas tree, and you can build the other Christmas tree.
Okay.
I will show this one. So, pretty simple builds. Pretty awesome, though.
Yeah.
The final result. So we'll put it right next to Harry.
Also, by the way, I have a Christmas tree in my room.
Yeah, there's a Christmas tree.
My room is do not judge me.
What's cool is you get 2 Christmas trees
Yeah.
out of this. I'm not sure if I can do this and hold on to the camera at the same time. Let's see.
What are you trying to do?
And then you can, just put the star on. And then you can, and put that on top. You might have to do it.
Ta-da! Ow, ow, ow.
You'll have to do it.
Okay, it's on.
All right. So, cool. You get 2 Christmas trees out of the deal.
So that Harry Potter can get one.
And you get some extra pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah, and hopefully we have another minifigure.
Yeah.
And the other
The
minifigure
train can have one.
can have the other tree.
Oh, that actually goes.
All right.
You
so,
know, the train is like halfway up the Christmas tree.
Yeah, it
Makes
is.
total sense.
well, it's a toy train.
I
right?
know.
All right, let's look for day number 4. Can you find day number 4?
I found it.
Did you guys find day 4? Did you find it up there? Oh, she's gonna rip it.
What else?
Ooh. Look at this one. Looks like another tree.
And
Looks like a second tree.
a third.
A third tree, sorry.
And you could probably build like at least 2 or 3.
And it's a lot of pieces here. So yeah, you could probably build. Oh. Alright, we're gonna build this and we'll be right back. So it looks like a big build. Alright guys, we're back, and this is probably my favorite Christmas tree that we've ever done on any of our Lego advent calendars.
Look,
It's a pretty fun build.
it's like that and like
Yeah, it's actually a big Christmas tree.
so it's 1 and a quarter.
1 1/4 of the trees. Yep.
Yes.
All right, Harry, stop lying around. Come on, Harry. All right. So that is day number 4. Brings us an awesome Christmas tree. Let's
I already
take a
see
look.
5.
Let's take a look. And Callie's already seen 5. We only have 1 minifig. Let's see if day number 5 will bring us another minifig. It is.
Nope.
Nope.
That's
it does
easy
not.
to build though.
But it looks pretty cool. What is it? Oh,
I don't know.
looks like a flag. Because remember how Harry Potter, there's all kinds of different teams and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Right?
Harry Potter's on Hufflepuff?
I believe
Yes.
so. Alright, so Callie's going to be building this. So a gold piece will go first.
Oh wait, we have to separate that, the extras.
No. So these are the extras that you got from the Christmas tree.
Other one, yeah.
So, alright, let's take this away.
So the black piece.
Alright, so the black piece goes first, and then a gold piece.
No.
Yes.
Oh yeah, gold.
See? Gold goes first.
And then this.
Yeah.
And then this.
And then you would have the top piece.
This.
Yep, looks like that. That would go next.
With
And then
this.
that would go on top of that. Yep.
Now let's make it
It's
equal.
pretty simple build.
Yep.
And
But pretty cool.
yeah, pretty cool. And then the flags.
Flex.
So you'd have the red one on this side. And then the yellow one on this side.
Okay.
Okay?
It's not working. The flags don't go on.
It goes on.
No, it doesn't. You try. It won't go on.
I will. Do we have... Maybe we don't have the right...
Oh, yes, it does. Hold
Sorry.
on. I'm going to attach this on after.
Yeah. And then put the yellow one on.
What's that noise?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's a tree.
Okay.
All right. Now put the flag on. All right. Now let's take a look at day number 5. Pretty awesome. All right. So we'll put it right there.
And have a number
And we'll be
6.
looking for number 6, which is right there. Let's see. Will we get a minifigure in day number 6?
I hope they're so easy to build.
It'll probably be the hardest
Yep.
one. Oh, we get a
And you
wizard.
said it was going to be the hardest one.
It's going to be the hardest one.
Does
be
it
the
look
hardest
like the
minifigure.
hardest one?
I don't know. Looks like it could be. Alright. So
That
let's-
one was really hard, though. The Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. How about you give me the plastic, okay? Instead of
Okay.
throwing it on the floor.
I didn't throw it on the floor.
No, you didn't.
You're throwing it on the floor.
I am throwing it on the floor. Yes. Is it double-faced?
No.
Well, okay. It's
Actually, only if you just want that.
only has one face. Well, no, that's not a face. That's just the back of a head. Okay. So next up,
Why is the head so hard to get on?
I don't know. Those are legs.
I know.
Oh, okay.
But the head was hard to get on.
Don't put the legs on his head.
I could. Do you want to see what it looks like?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
I put the legs on the head
Alright.
and then I put the wizard cap in his hand.
Oh. That looks weird.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, and then we also have this. Another 2 wands. So you
Two wands.
So you break them. And that's what we'll end up getting. So we'll have another extra wand. We're going to have lots of wands after this.
Yeah. Only if they want 2 wands.
Oh, I guess they
And
could.
the train.
I guess they could have 2 wands in their hand.
And they want to cast double the spells.
Alright. So there's
Actually, that's the wizard, so he should have.
day number 6. Pretty cool minifigure. Alright. What are we opening up next?
Day number 7.
Day number 7. Where can we find day number 7?
I wonder.
Right. Way in the corner. Boom. Right where the Christmas tree. Alright, let's take a look.
A table.
Table. So we have a table with all kinds of Harry Potter treats. We'll pick this as Callie opens up the table. The table of doom.
What?
The table of doom.
It is?
No, it's not.
Yeah, because I didn't know that was a real label.
Alright, we'll build this and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
Here is the final product of the table. It comes along pretty good, if I say so myself. So you can have a couple wizards that are enjoying a little meal. Alright,
A couple? We only have
right now we have a
and-
couple. We only have a couple right
a
now.
few.
Oh, and then look at this, we get food
Food.
to go with the table. So now they can have a real feast.
Yeah.
So it looks like we
Yeah.
get a turkey, which is yummy.
No. Gross.
And the turkey legs go in place, which is super cool. And then you have
Other
bowl.
stuff.
so you can put the turkey into the bowl. So just make sure.
This one go on though.
Does it go in? Okay, hold on to this, and then I will.
Okay.
I'll do it for you. Okay, so don't go close to me. Look at the. Hey,
So
Look.
this is a Lego calendar.
look at the turkey. So you have turkeys, and you have a couple of oranges, or I don't know what it'd be. So you can put the turkey right on the plate. Put that on the table. Actually, you know what? Let's move this cup over here. Put the there and there. And then we will put these on the side. Yes. All right.
Look at him. He's so cute. And look at this one.
And Callie just went off the rails.
Just look at this.
That's Callie's newest one.
This
a
is my
zebra.
newest one. And this is my
And
oldest
this is the old one. Yeah. So she
But we
just got
still love
she
her.
got that one last week.
Yes, and I already spilled on it.
And it's
somewhere.
already spilled, so it's already dirty.
I don't know where it is, so I think it went away.
Oh.
So now it's not dirty.
All right. So
It's
what
like somewhere. I don't know.
what day was that? That was day number 8.
Yes.
All right. So we're looking for day number 9 now. So we've
Where
already
is
got the
it? Oh, there it
food
is.
for the feast, and she found day number 9 right at the bottom, and it's another flag. If you guys can tell us what flags these are.
I think this one's the evil one.
I think that was the evil one. I don't think it is, because I think that one's like Harry Potter's. The turkey flag.
Oh.
You know what?
What's the
Let's put the turkey on the table.
what are the groups? There's Gryffindor,
Gryffindor,
Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff. Why am I going through a blank right now?
I don't know. I know this, but I can't. Hufflepuff.
All right. Well, so there. I put the oranges or whatever onto the bowl. I'm now going to put the turkey on
What?
top of the table.
What are they?
Let's
I want to know. I have my Harry Potter books right there. Why don't I know?
Oh yeah, where's Harry Potter? Oh, there's
Right
Harry
there.
Potter.
Yeah,
Harry
and also
Potter.
go down.
Oh, and then
Harry
these ones.
Potter book series.
There they are. All right, let's build this. Okay, so you need the black piece, and then the gold on the
I
bottom.
feel like the gold's always on the bottom.
It is on the bottom.
Or the top. It's never in the middle.
It's never. Why is that? Why is that?
Unless it's the tree.
yeah, like the star.
But you can't even see it. Oh no, I mean like we used the thing on the inside. Was it this one? Yeah. We put like the
Put the white.
gold on the inside.
All right, let's keep on working.
Where is it?
So we need this piece. No, this piece. Okay. Then that. You got it. So you're gonna put the flags on.
Yes, because I'm smart.
You learn from your mistakes. Actually, what's with this one?
What do you mean?
Where would that go? That's a new piece that we didn't have before.
What?
Yes, right here.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, where does it go? Oh, jeez. Yes.
What else
Brain
would it
fart.
go? Where else would it go?
All right. You got the flags ready?
Nope.
Let's get it ready.
No.
There we go. So we have the next set of flags. All right. So now,
No.
last day for today. We apologize why this is so long, but starting tomorrow we'll go day by
Why
day.
is 10 already open? Did you open it?
I think we opened it by accident.
Yeah.
Oh, and we get Ron Weasley in day number 10. Awesome. So we did get another minifigure.
I feel like I've seen him
Harry
before.
Potter's best friend, Ron Weasley. Remember, he has his brothers are the twins,
Yes.
right?
I feel like I've seen this minifigure before, though.
We probably have at some point.
Maybe. I feel like I have.
All right. So thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So while she builds it,
One face.
let's take a look.
It's a one face.
only
Or no,
one
just
face?
kidding.
No, it's two face. So it's
But we don't like
there's-
that side.
Hold on.
So.
Well, let's take a look. So there's the scared face, and turn around. It's the happy face.
And happy's always the way to go.
It is.
Only if it's a one-sided face and they only have the scared face like that.
So you have Ron's hair and his body. And
Why are
that
these so
is
short?
Well, because they're kids when they're
Got more wands.
more, of course, because Ron Weasley's a wizard as well.
Yes. Of course.
All right. So far, these are what we've got in the first 10 days. We're gonna be back at you on December 11th with the 11th day on our journey towards Christmas.
Also, I wonder if you could like store all of these in here.
You probably could.
Yeah.
As long as you
Other
keep it-
only if it's like too tall like that.
Yeah, I don't know if the
Yeah,
trees
but
would be able to actually, but the minifigures could probably go
Yeah.
in there.
And this one.
All right,
What
so
was that?
that's your.
Oh, someone's
your tablet.
texting.
All right. Remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad.
Yes.
Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Smash that thumbs up button
Also follow us on Instagram.
and Twitter
And my Instagram.
and Callie's
Twitter.
Instagram and Twitter. And comment down below which one's your favorite so far in the first 10 days of Christmas of the Advent calendar.
Yes.
And until next time,
Bye.
peace out.